The two people created a system together.
You've also done some great work around having the same fight or argument again and again and again in terms of how do we navigate or escape from those cycles?
Why do people get in the same fight over and over again? The most important point is just attachment theory. And attachment theory is the best theory we have of what love is. And in short, love is the need to be emotionally bonded / attached. And everybody needs to be attached, like biologically, physiologically, from the cradle to the grave. It's not optional. Even though you're very happy with your Netflix subscription and Amazon Prime subscription, you're like, I need nobody. Look, just physiologically, from the moment you were born, right? If there wasn't another person on the other side of your birth, you would die. So your body's built to detect, even before it can detect, I am hungry, right? I could really do with a kebab right now. Your body's first primed to detect, oh, Jesus, there's no one here and I'm about to get eaten, shout out to Australia, by a dingo, right? That doesn't change because you're a grown-up, and it doesn't change because now you're like mad sophisticated with all your technology and you think you don't need people. Your body is still built to freak, again, I'm going to use a technical term, freak the out when it looks like your person's not there for you. And so when you're a baby, it was your mom, whoever raised you, right? And so you were totally right to freak out when it looked like they were not physically or emotionally there for you. And you were also totally right to freak out when it looked like they were disappointed in you, right? That it looked like you were not enough for them. And they're the two sides of wounding and love. I'm freaking out because you're not there for me. I'm freaking out because it looks like you won't be here for me because I'm a disappointment. You're either going to be abandoned on one side of love or rejected on the other. Everything that human beings do in love and relationship can be understood through their attachment fears got triggered. It looks like I'm going to be abandoned or rejected, right? Some flavor thereof. So attachment is primary. Then the second theory, then you add layer on top of that, is systems theory. And systems theory is just very simple. You're not islands, despite, like, if the listeners are living in America and, like, you know, you've learned all about the beauty of individualism and you have a right to pursue happiness. And if anyone gets in your way, fuck them. They're not right for me. I only want positive people in my life. And this message, by the way, like right now, right, this message is really getting propagated, right? So systems theory, when you're hurt, when you get in touch with your unmet love need and you get like terrified inside, even though you're not realizing you're terrified, you protest. Oh, you're a negative person. Whatever way you do it, like, oh, you got to stop being blaming and criticizing. My guru online told me, you know, I don't deserve to be spoken to like that. Whatever way you protest, it's going to terrify the other person, because you're their person. Now they're threatened. Now they're not getting the flavor of love. And now they protest back. They shut down, go to the pub for an extra 4 drinks because they don't want to deal with you criticizing them, whatever it is they do. And now you're even more terrified. And you've even got more criticism to give them. They are even more terrified. And so now they're actually going to book a room above the pub so they never have to come home. The two people created a system together because of the way they're both built physiologically, that we need love. When it's not there, we both get scared and we both protest and we both scare each other even more. Look, they're the two most important things. They're the two most important things. And this is the thing. What's so hard is everything else is noise. Someone's going to say, no, but Figs, they really are an anti-vaxxer. Like, listen, this isn't about vaccinations. I know you think you guys are fighting about vaccinations or you're fighting about who walks the dog. When you ask your partner to walk the dog, they get scared, you're disappointed in them. And that's why they go, Jesus, I walked the dog yesterday. And you're like, they're just never there for me because you just got threatened. And that's why you say, I can't believe you're keeping score. You both scared each other on a love level. This is not about the bloody dog and who walks the dog. And nor is it about like, look, I'm having extra vaccinations on Friday. Why won't you have at least one? Right? It's never about the topic people think they're fighting about. So why do people then get into the waltz of pain? The waltz of pain refers to the negative part of that systemic dance, that waltz.